Hey guys, I wanted to go ahead and show you the heat press and just talk about it for a minute. And I wanted to also show you the mat. This is for beginners, obviously. This is the mat from Cricut, and let me tell you, I love it. I've been using it for a while now, and it works perfect. I picked it up on Amazon. I'll try to link a link down below for you so you can go ahead and check it out in case you want to purchase it. I think it was affordable. I wanna link it down below so you can check out the price as well. That it wasn't nothing big. And I did my research on it, and this is the one that I love the best. And I've been using it for a while now. And let me tell you, it is very good quality. It's from Cricut. And it is way better than using a towel or using anything else. And it was pretty good price. So I suggest you um invest in a good mat because you're going to need it. You're going to use this machine. Once you get started on this machine, you're not going to stop like me. You're going to need it. So I suggest you invest in a good mat and you have all the equipment you need, but at an affordable price. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use it for the first time. I'm going to use this bag that Cricut provided for me. And all I'm going to do is iron it out. That's it. Just so I can get all the wrinkles out. And I'm going to show you the guide that I use. And this is the heat press guide. And it is also from Cricut. I'm going to try to link it down below. And then you go ahead and pick out your machine. And this is mine, the Easy Press tool. You pick what brand you're working with. And I am working with Iron-On. So I'm going to look for it. And it is glitter. So I'm going to go ahead and look for what I'm working. And I'm going to press on it. And then it says what material. I know it's hard to see, but I'll link the link down below. 100% cotton. And then you're going to press if you have a towel or a heat mat. I have a heat mat, and you're going to press apply once you have what you need. And it's going to tell you the temperature, how many seconds, the supplies you need, the preparation, how you're going to take care of it, and the application. So it's going to tell you everything you need, how long to flip it for. It says flip it for another 15 in the back. So it's 30. And it says a light press. So it's going to give you everything you need. This page right here from Cricut is going to guide you through everything. I'm going to try to link it down below. So you go ahead and all you have to do is save it to your home screen. That's it. Save it to your phone home screen. Save it to wherever you're working on your tablet home screen, and you're going to have it ready for the next project. Let me tell you, it's very helpful, and you're going to learn really fast because it's going to guide you through the steps. It's going to guide you through everything. Now, when your machine is in the red, like right here, it means that it's heating up and it's getting ready for the temperature that you're going to set it to. So once it's ready, it's going to turn green. It's that easy. The bottom is to add the seconds, and I'm going to add it to 30. So it says light press on there. So it's going to guide you through the whole thing. I use it all the time ever since I started. It's very helpful. It gives you the seconds, the time. It gives you the temperature. And so far, it's right on the money. Everything that it tells me I've been doing, and it's coming out great. So I'm going to try to grab a link to that and link it down below so you can go ahead and go straight to the website and have it ready for you. I'm going to go ahead and add this C for my Cricut bag. So I just wanted to show you how easy it is to work with this. Now, these papers, I picked them up at Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link as well because you get a ton of them, and it was super cheap. So I don't want you to waste your money on buying expensive ones or anything. I work with this already, and let me tell you, they work amazing. One sheet is going to last you through a ton of projects. So I'm going to link them down below. They're great. They're great, let me tell you, on light press and on also heavy press and firm press. So they're great through the press that you're going to need for the heat press. And trust me, once you start working with them, you're going to love them, and you're going to get a ton of them at a good price. So I'll go ahead and do the research and link that down below for you so you have everything ready. I'll also leave my Instagram in case you want to go check it out. All I'm going to do right now is just take out all the wrinkles, and look at how easy it's just going to press through the wrinkles and everything else. Look at how easy that is. It's going to just smooth everything out. I'll also leave my link to the decals in case you want to go ahead and get some decals and get started and start playing with your Cricut. And I'll also give you a 15% off your purchase, your entire purchase. Every time you purchase a decal, you're going to get 15% off. So you cannot go wrong with that. Once you purchase your decal, it's yours forever. I'm going to go ahead and put this right in the middle where I want it before I press it down. It's very cute, and I love the fact that Cricut gave it to me to put it on the bag so I can go ahead and just get started. This is going to help you get started. Don't get scared. This is going to be your first project. Cricut is giving it to you so you can go ahead and press it down, make mistakes, figure it out, and go through the whole process with them. I'm also going to go ahead and link my link down below for the vinyl, and I'll be giving you a $5 off your first purchase. So that's awesome. The vinyl is very pretty. So once you have it exactly where you want it, go ahead and take a ruler if you need to measure the sides. There's nothing wrong with that. If you can't eyeball it, grab a ruler and measure the side to side. Once you have it ready, add your paper on top and you're going to be ready to press it. Make sure your time is perfect. And I'm going to set it at 30. And then you're just going to go ahead and press it. Right here, I was just trying to figure out, this was my first time doing it. So I was trying to figure out how to set the time, and the time is set. I didn't know that I was supposed to press the green button so it could count down. So all I'm going to do is count it down in my head because I couldn't figure it out. But once you set your timer, you just press the green button, and it's going to count it down. Once it's counted down, it's going to beep when it's done. You're going to go ahead and you're going to flip it, and I'm going to go ahead and put it another 15. So all I'm going to do is a light press. Oh no, it's a firm press. And count down to 15. You're going to go ahead and flip it. You're going to let that cool down and dry just a little bit before you peel off the transfer tape. Once it's nice and dry, go ahead and just grab the transfer tape and you're going to just peel it off, and it's going to leave the decal right there, the image. And look how cool that is. Wasn't that simple? And there it is, and that's garbage. And you have your bag ready. I think that is so cool. I think it is so nice of Cricut to give you a starter just to kind of work with everything and figure it out. But that's why I'm making this video, so you guys could go ahead and see how everything works. So I'm going to go ahead and bring it up so I could show you a little bit and explain. So right here, I'm going to show you just really quick the temperature. So that is to turn it on, the machine, the temperature, and then to go up and down on the temperature. If you press it, you're going to be able to move it up and down until you have it set where you want to set it. So that's just to move with it. The bottom one is the timer. Once you have it set, it's just going to stop. You press on it, and then you can adjust it up and down. So if you need it at 15 or you need it at 30, go ahead and move it up. And once it's set, it's going to stop. Then you press the green button and it's going to count it down. I figured it out at the end. Once it's counted to 0, it's going to beep, and that means you're done. You're going to flip it around and do the other side, set the timer again. Once it beeps, you're done. And to turn it off, of course, it's the white button. So go ahead and play with it. Go ahead and make something. Don't get scared. Get creative. Go ahead and play with this. And it's not really hard to move because you do have the bottom piece. So the bottom piece keeps it nice and cool, so you don't have any troubles. Once you're done, turn it off and unplug it and just leave it there so it could cool down before you put it away. You don't want to put it away hot. But I thought it was pretty easy and I love it. I cannot wait to start making a ton of stuff. I just wanted to show you really quick a beginner's guide. I hope this helped out, and until next time, bye you guys.